Okay guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to change to several public chain using Token Pocket wallet. So I'll quickly move down to my Token Pocket wallet. Then this my Token Pocket wallet. Currently it's on Smart Chain public. It's on Smart Chain. So these are the various kind of public chain we have. So when you are asked to use Smart Chain, Ethereum Smart Chain, the Binance Smart Chain, you get all of them here. So this the Bitcoin public chain, this is the Ethereum public chain, EOS public chain, Tron public chain, Echo public chain, the Binance public chain, that is the Binance Smart Chain public chain, OKS public chain, the Matic public chain, Polkadot public chain, Kusama, Smart Chain. These are it. So you import your wallet on whatever which one you want to use. Your same wallet, one wallet, you can use one wallet on several different public chain. Like right now, this is my if you watch out well, this is my Binance Smart Chain. No, this is not this Binance Smart Chain. This is my Binance Smart Chain. You can see I have three wallets here. When you see this one is ending with 5D77, one of the wallets. That same wallet is also on the Smart Chain. That same wallet is also on the Smart Chain. Where is the Smart Chain? That same wallet is also this is the Polygon. This is the Polygon. You can see that same wallet 5D77. That is the Matic. So when you are asked, you just have to import your wallet. That is all. When you want to import your wallet, you click here, click on import wallet, you enter your 12 key phrase, you enter your password, click on import wallet. That is simple. You've imported your wallet. So and that is just a way. If you want to use a private key option, you have your private key, you enter your private key, and that is all. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks.